name is Peter. Welcome back again to NTV It is Nyumbani. We're wrapping the week with a core challenge. So I hope you're ready. It's going to be intense, it's going to be fun. I'm sure your tummy will thank you sometime later. Okay, so for warm up, we'll just start easy. I know we do a lot of jumping jacks. So we're going to do jumping jacks, 30 jumping jacks. Then we do at least 30 knee-ups just for the warm-up, just to engage the core as well with the knee-ups. Then we kick off the program for the day. Hope you enjoy and stay blessed. Let's go. One. Those are 10. Those are 20. Go on your pace. If you can go slower, it's fine. At up on 7, 3, 4, 5. If you can go faster, then go faster. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. From there to the knee-ups, 30 knee-ups. Just to warm up as well. Let's go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. I'm sure you're home. Our first workout. Today we have 50 crunches. Okay? 50 crunches. Take your time. Go on your pace. Remember, it's an issue of progress, not perfection. Okay? 50 crunches. Are you ready? Let's go. Go on your pace. Okay? Beginners, target 20. Intermediate, give me a minimum of 30. Advanced, tuko pamoja, 50. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 20. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 30, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 10 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How are you feeling? 8, 9. Last one. And 10. Good job. We're taking a 30-second breather. So relax. From there, tunaingia push-ups. We're only doing 15 push-ups. Beginners, give me at least 7. Okay? Push yourself. And I'm saying 7 being your A game. Give me your A game 7 push-ups. Intermediate, target 10. Advanced, let's go for 15 push-ups. I'm sure we can nail it. Are you okay? 30-second break is over. We start the push-ups. How are you feeling? Let me start. Good job. 20, 15. Let's go. Go on your pace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll give you time to finish up. Enda pole pole ni sawa. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. I'm giving you another 30 seconds. Let's go. Wrap up, wrap up. Good job. Good stuff. So breathe as we wait for the next workout. Our next workout, we're going for a plank. Okay? Like we say, today's challenge, we're doing a core challenge. Okay? So we're doing a 1-minute plank hold. I think I've shown you a couple of demos for planks. Remember, I want your body flat. Okay? If you've just joined us, look at my body. I want it flat. I don't want you to make a hump. Sitaki kamlima hapa nyuma. Our 1 minute plank starts now. Up and hold. And breathe. Just breathe. Those are only 15 seconds to, so 45 seconds to go. Hold it, hold it. Think of something interesting, anything intriguing. Whatever you do, don't lose that work. We have only 25 seconds to go. Hold it. Good job. Good job. 15 more seconds to go. Count down your 10. Twende kazi. Skuma, 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 skuma. Hold it. Timer is up. Good job. How are you feeling? Are you okay? Breathe. Relax. I'm taking at least another 30-second breather. From there tunaingia side plank. Okay? 30 seconds on each side. So my timer will be ready for 30 seconds. I hope you're ready. So we're doing 30-second side plank on each side. Alright? Let me face it this way. So for the side plank, for a demo, this is what I'm looking for. Hapo. Sawa? You can cross your legs hapo. You can take it back there. Ama uwekelee mguu hapo. Alright? If you want to challenge yourself more, you can put your elbows down and you can still do it this way. It's still acceptable. Are we okay? So I'm doing this one. If you can't, please do the raised one here. Still okay. Are we good? My timer is ready. Are you ready? I'm challenging myself from here. Timer is up. Let's go. 1. 30 seconds imeanza, twende. And breathe. Those are 10 seconds that have lapsed. 20 to go. Breathe. Breathe. Yes. Let's strengthen that core. 10 seconds to go. Hold it. You can do it. I promise you can do it. Time's up. Good job. Woo. How are you feeling? That one we're not taking a break in between. So we're shifting to the other side. For you, you can just turn. I don't want to show you my back. Hence I'm changing to the other side. Okay. So I'm doing the other side. Same workout for 30 seconds. Are you ready? If you just joined us, you can do this one here. Or you can take your elbow down on the mat. Okay? Miguu. Unaweza ekelea mguu juu ingine or step on the side. Okay? You can do that one still. It's okay. You can kelea mguu on top of the other and you hold it up. My timer is ready. Let's go. 30 seconds peke yake. And breathe. Yeah, I know. It's core challenge. Thank you for coming on board. 10 seconds to go. We're doing alright. We're doing very fine indeed. 3 seconds to go. You can do it. Hold it. Good job. Good job. Core challenge so far so good. From there, tunarudi push up again. Okay? Beginners, give me between 7 to 8. It's acceptable. Intermediate, work between 8 to 10. Advanced, tuko pamoja, tunachapa 15. Remember, go on your pace, okay? Even if I finish before you, I'll still give you an extension of 15 seconds to wrap up your set, okay? Then I give you some few seconds to breathe, then tuendelee na workout. Alright? Good job. Tunaingia push-ups. 15 push-ups. Are you ready? I'm ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Relax. Finish up. If you haven't wrapped up, just wrap up. Remember, it's your own competition. You're competing with yourself. No one else. No one else. Ni wewe peke yako. So wrap up. After you're done, take a few seconds breather. As we prepare for the next workout, we're doing a 1-minute bridge. Okay? For the bridge, as you rest, I'll be demonstrating. So for the bridge, we are there. Alright? Your bum is off the floor, kabisa. Look at my knees, my leg, my posture there. If you want to add some weight, if you have a kettlebell, if you have this water with you there, if you don't have, tumana ikuje mbio mbio sahi. 5 liter, 3 liter, 5 kg dumbbell, any weight that you have, you can put more pressure, place it on the tummy, then you go up there. Then, tuenda chini, we come back up, okay? Up, alright? And up. So we're doing that workout for only 1 minute. This one is not about reps, it's a minute, it's a timed workout, okay? So show me how many you can do within 1 minute. Remember, form, very important. So, we'd rather do less, but ensure the form is correct, okay? Perfect. I hope you're ready. My timer is ready. So we start off, okay? 1 minute, let's go. Till I tell you to stop, don't stop. There. For those who love more challenge, you can take one leg up and down. Okay? If you can't, we are here. And breathe. Remember, you need to breathe at all times and smile. You got to love what you're doing. Good job. Breathe and push it, push it, push it. Till our time is up. Till I tell you, we're almost there. And stop. Good job. Put the water next to you. We still use it again. How are we feeling? From there, tunaingia another 50 crunches. How are you feeling? Like we say, it's a core challenge. We're challenging our core. That's the point. We're wrapping up the week on a high note, okay? Good stuff. That's the attitude. I love the smile. Are you ready? 50 crunches. Remember, go on your own pace, your own motion, your own pace. Hata kama unafanya 20 for beginners, 30 at least for intermediate, or 50 for the advanced, please make sure that the posture is right. Don't just do it to finish. Let's do the workout to get the value from the workout. Are you ready? I'm ready. 50 crunches. We start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 20. 30 to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Push it. 7, 8, 9. Those are 30, 20 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 40, 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good job. How are you feeling? Breathe. Enjoy it. It's never that too serious. Breathe. Relax. Now, I will demo the next workout. Our next workout, we're doing a 1 minute plank. We're doing a raised plank. And on top of that, we'll be doing a front raise. Okay? So let me demo. So I'm on a plank position. Okay? Then I'm raising one arm alternatively. I'm alternating. Okay? I'm alternating my arm raises. Okay? For 1 minute. Only 1 minute. From there turudi tena glute tena kidogo. Bridges. Clap for yourself. It's a challenge, I know. You accepted the challenge, that's why we're here. Good job. Now, my timer is ready. Are you ready? 1 minute peke yake. We're doing a plank with a front raise. Okay? My timer is up. Timer is ready. Let's go. Go on your own motion. Don't rush it, okay? Enda pole pole. Your own pace. We have a minute to go. Don't stop. Till I tell you to stop. Body weight, body weight, body weight. How are you feeling? You have 15 more seconds to go. Push it. Woo! Tuendelee. Stop. Woo! I'm loving it. How are you feeling? And thank you guys for the feedback. Guys from Nakuru, from everywhere. Thank you all for reaching out. We appreciate the feedback. Thank you for staying tuned to NTV and taking your health serious, as NTV takes it quite serious as well. Okay? We hope you're enjoying the viewing and you're working out with us at the same time. From there, tunaingia 2-minute bridge again. Then after the 2-minute bridge, tunarudia another 50 crunches. Kwani iko nini? Okay? 2-minute bridge, then 50 crunches. Then we're done with the first set. Then tuanze kunegotiate ndio tunachapa ya pili. Okay? Good stuff. Core challenge. Wake your neighbor up, cover amelala. We good? 2 minutes. My timer is ready. 2 minutes starts now. Twende. Enjoy your workout. It's your body. Take care of it today. It will take care of you tomorrow. It's a guarantee. You can take that to the bank. Yeah. 20. Good. Good. Mpaka nikwambie watch. You don't stop. Kazi yako ni kuenjoy workout and move with me. Okay? Good stuff. Push it. Push it. We have about 1 minute and 15 seconds to go. Yes. Tuendelee. Easy, easy. And breathe. 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 "35 seconds to go." You're still alive. Kuna mchezo hapa leo. Good stuff. Push it. We're almost home. We are almost there. We are almost there. You're 10 seconds shy. In the leg. And you have to smile. Our timer is up. Good job. Get it to apple. Stock it apple. How are you feeling? I know it's interesting, right? Yeah, I'm loving it as well. So now as you rest, narudia tena 50 crunches. So after the 50 crunches, we are done with our first set of the whole workout. So 50 crunches, we're done with our first set. The second set, we will agree how we're going to do it because of time. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 30, 20 more. 1. Remember, I want you to go on your own pace. You don't have to go on my pace. If I'm too fast, please take it easy on your pace. Those are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Those are 40. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. So from there, we're done with set 1. We're going back now to set 2. Because of time, I will try and run through the second set with you. But remember, access this workout on Facebook, NTV Kenya page. Get a workout. Repeat the whole workout as for the first set. 50, 50, 50 of almost everything. 1 minute planks. Okay? Download the workout, repeat the workout at home when you have much more time. Okay? Please do it. Promise you your core will thank you later. Alright? So we're starting with push-ups. Because of time, I want us to cut the number by half. Everything half, 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 half. Alright? So we make it a marathon, we're able to finish together. Thank you for agreeing with me. So now instead of 15 push-ups, we're going for 7. Make sure you give me your A game. No much break, only 10 seconds breather. We transverse to the next workout, okay? Good job. So 7 push-ups. I'm ready, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. From there, instead of the 1 minute plank, we're doing 30 seconds plank. Okay? My timer is ready. 30 seconds plank. Are you ready? 30 seconds. Okay? Perfect. Let's go. Start. Just breathe. Breathe. 30 seconds is for everyone. This one you should nail it. Good stuff. From there, 15-second side plank. Okay. Side plank, 15 seconds. Are you ready? My timer is ready. Are you ready? Let's go. Start. 15 seconds only. Up. Breathe. Good job. We change the other side. 15 seconds. Are you ready? 15 seconds, let's go. Good stuff. From there tunaingia push-ups, saba, then tuingie bridge. Lazima tumalize the whole program, okay? So push-up saba. You ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From there tunaingia bridge for 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Bridge, are we ready? Let's go. Breathe. 10 seconds to go. Breathe. Good. It's a wrap. So we stretch, we call it a day. Let's start here. Reach for your toes and breathe. Good stuff. Cross over the leg. Press the knee. Try face backwards. Just relax. Breathe. This folded leg. Peleke nyuma hapo. Reach for your toes and just hold it there. Good stuff. Change the other leg. Same. You good? Let's go. Yeah. Good. We're here. Face backwards. Good stuff. Hold the leg backwards and reach for your toes. Shoulders up. Then you breathe in, breathe out, we're done. Let's go. Breathe in. Out, breathe in, out, last one, breathe in, and out. God bless. Goodbye.